Hello everybody and welcome into another video by Rational Aviation. Today we'll be learning how to make a game on your microbit. So now let's begin off. And before I start, I would love to say thank you everybody for 100 subscribers. I'm really grateful to each and every one of you who have subscribed. And in case you haven't, that's all right. You can just hit the subscribe button right now. It just requires a few movements of your thumb. Okay, I would highly appreciate it. It kind of motivates me to create more incredible videos. Now, uh, now let's begin with our video. So, in case you want to know how to create a new project, you click on this button, and my game will be rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors, and now let's click the create button. Now, first off, I'll be showing you how to access this entire section. So, in case you're a Python programmer, you can also convert code to Python. In case you like JavaScript, you can program in JavaScript. But I'm going to do block coding, and probably in the next video, I might cover for Python. And yes, so the panel is mainly divided into a few sections. So in case you want to like load into your microbit, you click the download. In case you want to run it, you click this, and you can mute the audio in case you feel it's a bit disturbing or it's interfering with your work. And this is the entire microbit, like how will it look on your microbit. Now let's begin. First of all, I'm going to create a few variables called score. This is optional in case you want to create it. I'm just going to create it so the user kind of feels a bit engaged now. And then I'm going to create an operator. Okay. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is telling you how to think and how this is going to work. So what is going to happen is that so the microbit has a few operations. I'm going to go to import option and show you. So this is something called on shake. So on shake, like whenever I'm going to shake this, shake my microbit, it's going to show me some random output which I have rock paper scissor. So yeah, and you can do anything like logo up, screen down, tilt left, tilt right, free fall, 3G, 6G, 8G. But I'm going to choose the on shake because that's really easy for the user to do. Now, furthermore, what I'm going to do for scoring is that in case the user has defeated the computer, I mean the bot over here, the code, then it's going to press this button and then it'll show your score is now X based on the user score. If he loses, I'm going to assume him to be really him or her to be like really trustworthy, like honest. So he's going to press the he or she is going to press the B, and I'll show your new score is x minus one, which is the previous score minus one. Okay, now let's begin. So first thing, what I'm going to do is that I don't need to wait. Oh, by mistake, reading my on start. Okay, cool. Now on start, I want the variable to be set operator to zero and set score to zero. Just a minute, I'll just do it. Cool. Now on shake, on shake logic if true, we're not going to do this, we're not going to use the if true in case you have any other project where you have to do else, then you press this button, else if, so on and so forth. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use if true option. Now a comparison which is 0 is 0 equals 0, but I'm going to have operator equals 0, then um, we're going to show this icon. Now you must be asking me, why do I want it to show this icon? It's because microbit is actually a lot of preset icons which you can just select and code with. So this is the first one, scissors. Oh wait, I forgot to add something. Uh, there's actually a pick random tool. It's math probably. Wait, pick random 0 to 10. Now set operator to pick random 0 to 10. Remove this. Pick random 0 to 10, but I'm going to do 0 to 2, 0 to 1, and then let's duplicate this again. Oh, so this is 2, Now let's choose some operations. So for me, this is paper, this is scissor, and this is rock. Okay. Now I'm gonna run this and see how this works. Okay, so it's random operations, which is exactly what we want. So this code is running perfectly, no doubt. Now let's add something to enhance a program, which is called the scope. So let's do if on button A press, because I'm going to do that for increased score. I'm going to increase change score by one and display and sorry your string as your your, your score is show number of score. Now let's test it out. And yes, I forgot to say this, but when you're playing right, so you can like hold the microbit, perform your action, and then like probably like shake it. Like I've chosen one operation. Uh, you see a bug. Yes, I okay, now no bug. I do my operation. I have chosen scissors. Shake. Okay, that's a draw. Okay, I'm gonna choose again. I've chosen this time paper. Shake. Okay, this time it is also chosen scissors. That's pretty weird. Let's see. Shake, shake. Wait. Restart the simulator. Sorry, I didn't do that. Okay, as you can see, this is perfectly working. Okay, sorry, I didn't restart the simulator. That's what my problem was. So I've chosen red scissors. See, shake. And so it's paper. Okay, I win. Then I press A. Your new your score is so it's gonna display like letter by letter. So it might take some time. So this how it will work. Now, why? What should I do with this V1? Because this one is idle. But so what I'm gonna do is that um, I'm going to B change score by -1. Okay, but what if it's a draw? So let's experiment the A plus B option. So if I press both of them at the same time, then let's see what happens. So I'm gonna shake A plus B. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be point 0.5. Point 0.5. My bad. Sorry. Now shake A plus B. Your just bear with me for some time till this loads. Your score is 0.5. Okay. So this is the entire program, but I guess you want to have some more fun. So you can add the forever loop and then play some music. So there's some preset audios also in this, like um, play slide probably if you want to. But in case you don't want to, it's alright. But there's actually something really nice over here. Let's see. Twinkles. Sorry, I just showed that, right? You can actually create your own song in this. Okay, like this. Let's check how it works. Something like that, you can just keep on doing it, looking in the background. Something like that. Just do what you want. Experiment around. It's a really fun thing. And now let's move on to how it look on the microbit. Thank you for watching. Hello everybody. Now let's see the output which will happen in the microbit. So what I'm going to do right now is that oh yes, in case you don't know how to like show it, how to like upload this on your microbit, what I want you to do is that I'm gonna press a download option on your screen. Just download it. It'll show downloading. Once it hits the end bar. I want you to shake this. Okay. Right now my output was paper. Oh. Yeah, why it isn't coming on my mobile phone? Okay, here you have it. Scissor. And it's going to randomly just give me some multiple outputs. Now, what us to do is press A. So you show me your score is 1. Now let's assume I lost. And what will it show? Your score is 0. Now what if it was a draw? Your score is 0.5. So this is exactly how the microbit works. So yes, that's all for today's video. Goodbye, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.